deploy a system that's going to be able to receive the entire Haitian community here and around the world. It's going to be just like Facebook. All right? So I will communicate on Facebook. I've done the friends, we can do live, we can do all that, right? So we need a space because we are scattered all over the place, right? It is physically impossible for us to meet, to collab for our movement, right? So this platform called Force now, I think that all these migrants can be in it. All of you can be in it. France, Canada, Haiti, everybody. Come your business. So what happens is, when you register, you're gonna have your own link. You put that in there, and your friends, and they come in. When they come in, they automatically become your friends. Because without a platform, without a movement, you cannot coordinate or everything. And I want to give a shout out to Dr. Captain Black. She was on the ground before anybody else, right? Be working hard. So it's important that this thing be on our own. So I'm going to talk about my card. The website is on there. It's going to be live in the next probably 48 hours or more. Okay? I just go through my developers because this is not something that's happening. This is in place. There's a lot of people jumping on stuff. They've been working past 20 years as community organizers, helping our people. Okay? We're not just making things on the fly. Alright? So pass this to people, the website, so they can join. Force. Force, c'est le seul outil que tu passes. Nous avons fait évolution, ça? Parce que if we don't become a financial stronghold, right? We're gonna always be in this situation. We need our own facility just like that. We need our own spot just like that, right? So the way to do that is when we come together, and that's what we provide. Okay? I love you. Let's keep fighting, all right? Okay, thank you.